how to download MX bikes on your Windows computer. So yeah, let's start the video. So first you have to open your browser. I am using Google Chrome, and from the browser search for Steam. Alright, this is the way you download this game. So this is the Steam application. Now you click this first result, and from here this is the Steam web page. You need to install Steam from here. Right, tap this logo and again install Steam. Now let's install Steam on our device. Alright, this is the Steam setup. Click here. Now all you have to do is next, choose your language. It's English for me. Next, and choose your destination. Alright, its default will be C. You can choose another destination and press the install button. So this is the first step to install Steam. So I have already installed Steam, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, so you have to do it, install the game. Alright, so now all you have to do is create a Steam account. When you open Steam for the first time, it will ask you to create a Steam account. So as you know, I have already created a Steam account, so I'm not going to create an account. Alright, so you will get it if you have an Instagram, if you have a Facebook, you will be able to create a Steam account. So now this is how Steam will look like. So from the store here, from the Steam store, just press here and there will be a search. From here, search for MX bikes. Alright, this is a game. Tap here. Now you will find this game's trailer here. Just scroll down. Here you will find the option add to cart. So now we have added this to our cart. So now view my cart, and from here you have to pay the game. Alright, so just click on continue to payment, and then this will be redirect you to a certain payment gateway from where you have to pay the game. You have to use your debit card, credit card, PayPal, whatever you want. Just click here. Alright, and then your game will be reflected here somewhere in the library. So amongst this game there will be a game, your MX bikes. So just choose the game. I have not bought the game, of course, and then you will find this install button. Alright, so in your MX bikes you find this install button. Just click here and your game will be installed. Make sure you have a good internet connection, because it will consume some of your data. So hope this video helpful. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.